Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is VIN 0523523. This is not that car. This is a scam warning. This is a dealer that shows to be in Vermont selling this car with 14,000 miles, and it has the correct VIN, it has the correct photos, but this car is not in Vermont and it has about 65,000 miles. I actually know the owner of this car, so I know that this is a scam because I talked to him today. Here it is. Today is January 11th or 12th of 2026. He's literally driving this car and it's not in Vermont, and he didn't trade it in. He bought this car last year from CarMax. I kind of helped him walk through that process. So I'm very familiar with this car. That's the downside of trying to scam people in this community, is I get to learn a lot about who owns these cars and where they are. And I sort of remember, and trying to keep track of 2,300 cars in my head, but pretty familiar with this car. So just letting you know, if you're looking for a GSF and you see this car listed on Auto Trader or wherever else, it shows as VIN 523, it's not that car. This is a scam. So just a heads up, quick video today, buyer beware, VIN 523. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.